This video is to help you set up the lab for Lesson 9, particularly the sensors, which is going to look a little bit different than what we've done in the past. So you might notice that the carbon dioxide sensor that comes for this lesson does not have the easy plug. Instead, it has these cables. To make this a little bit easier and to allow us to use the easy plug, we added this shield that can then attach from the CO2 sensor to the easy plug shield. However, we want to make sure that the CO2 sensor is hooked up to the I2C shield correctly. So to do that, see how right here we have the different color wires, and then right next to it, it says SDA, SCL, GND, VCC. We want to make sure those wires are going to the same letters on the I2C shield. Unfortunately, the letters are out of order on the I2C shield compared to the CO2 sensor. So we see the green is coming from the SDA. That is actually the second one on the I2C shield, so we'll make sure that that goes there, and you just plug it in and secure it like that. Next on the CO2 sensor, we have SCL, and that is the blue. That's actually the first one on the I2C shield, so we're going to plug that in there. You may find that it's easier to put these in order too and then plug them all in at once. And then the next two is the black goes to ground or GND, which is actually the last one on the I2C shield, and then the red goes to VCC, which is the third. So we're going to flip the order of the red and black compared to what they are elsewhere, and we'll get those plugged in. And so here we have green, blue, black, red. Here we're going to have to switch up so it's blue, green, red, black. However, once those are secured, this will work very cleanly. Next, you will need to attach the I2C shield to the easy plug shield, just like we've done in the past. To do that, you can plug this into either of the ports that are right here. I'll just do this one. And then you plug it into the I2C port on the easy plug shield. And then you can turn this on. And the CO2 sensor, you'll want to make sure it does not get wet from the ice, so you just stick it in the edge of the bag away from the melting ice, and you'll be able to make the measurements that you want.